I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. As certified Xero partners, we specialise in making accounting software work for you.
Any small business owner knows that late payments can take a toll on cash flow. Not only can you waste a lot of time chasing overdue invoices, it can also be stressful and awkward. So here are some tips to manage late payments. Number 1, create strict payment terms. When engaging a new customer or revisiting an agreement with an existing one, set your expectations. Be clear on your payment terms, like when you expect to be paid and any fees incurred by late payments. And make sure you've outlined your preferred payment method, like credit or debit card or direct debit. Here's a hot tip. Connect to a payment service provider that integrates with Xero. This will add a Pay Now button to your invoices, helping you to get paid faster and spend less time chasing payments. Number 2, set a credit limit. This will alert you to stop work or pause order fulfillments or have a conversation when your customer exceeds their credit limit. Number 3, weigh up what it's costing you, literally and figuratively, to keep doing business with repeat late payers. Remember that as accounts receivables age, it's less likely they'll be paid. So it's best to act sooner rather than later. For more payments tips and tricks, check out the Xero Cashflow Hub today.